I'm JJ. WN is not here, but I'm gonna do a squishy review time part 2. So let's get started. I'm gonna pull my whole box. The first thing I want to show you guys, let me take these wrappers out. They're just so annoying sounds. Is this? It has smell. It's this dead bread squishy. Dead bread squishy. Not that squishable, but still really cute. Next one is a Napaman Entenman. I like call him. He's not that squishable, but still pretty cute. Oh, this one is another one of those, but it's green one. I didn't take it. I'm not gonna take it out. It's just like that. Next up is this thingy from Entenman. If I'm right, it's not that squishable as well. This burger, it's super duper squishy. It's like a matching set for this. Next is like this flour bread thing, and it's kind of squishable. Next one is this Viva Kuma bun, and it's kind of squishy. Oh yeah, this is really smooth and really nice, and you can see the fillings like that. And the next one is this not so squishable bun, but I don't know what the hell is it. And next up is this cake. Let me take it out from the packaging. I know it's very crinkly, and just yeah. It looks like this. It's a cake, and the flowers inside look like those. And actually, these are really smooth and nice. Sorry. This I gave like WN one of these. Check her video out. I give her one of these since I have one of these. Now another macaroon, purple. I think WN has this, if I'm right. This minion bread. A little bit defected. This green minty look of macaroons or macarons. Now is this super duper squishy Kooritori cappuccino like burger. Let me take it out. Looks like this is super duper squishy. Let me put it back in the packaging. Wow, you guys can look at these squishies. You know, get in there. It's going in. Yeah, it's in. This very awkward face, like very that hamburger look. And this cake, I did give WN one of these. Looks like this. I might as well just show you like that. This like, I don't know what is this. Tell me if you know. This one. I'm trying to find one of my favorites. So yeah. Oh yeah, I remember this one. One of these that you have. Where is it? The mirror one. Yeah. So I'm trying to find my mirror one. Why is it not here? Oh, I guess it's okay. So this is the Winnie the Pooh one and the cupcake one. I'm gonna open the cupcake one. I don't know what's my mirror. It is so squishy. Gum like this. I think this is a real cupcake case. It's probably a real one. My panda bun squishy. And a paw squishy. This is a real squishy. If you guys don't know. have like these little animal squishies. I have this cow bun, this koala bun, and this chick bun. And I have this one of my favorites is this pow. It's not a bun, it's just a regular pow that regular people eat. But this is one of my small ones. And this is one of my favorites because it's so squishy. It's a little bit defective but still really cute. It looks like this. It's a little bit sticky, but you're supposed to keep on that one. It's really squishy. And I love this to death. Looks like a real pow. And this one of my favorites is these. This is like Snoopy popsicle. Hold on guys. I know this is a really bad quality, but still, I'm trying to make this to you guys. Please subscribe and, you know, give a thumbs up. I know our videos are really bad quality, but if you want to start making a YouTube channel, we need your support. So it looks like this, a Snoopy ice cream. Really fluffy. And this sandwich that is really squishy. So that's all I'm gonna show you guys for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. So ho! Bye! Mouse. You know what?